Hello, people of YouTube and the internet. Real Tech Chaser has another unboxing. This time is the Targus 50-inch camera / camcorder tripod. And now I need this one because the one I'm using right now is a piece of crap. I'm not replacing a screw every single time I use it. So hopefully I can shoot videos much easier with this now. So in order to do that, I must slice through some tape on top before opening the flap. So we'll just open it like such. Here. Very excited for this. There's nothing else in the box, but it comes in the bag. So I'm just going to pull it down like that. Then open this up. Here it is, the brand new Targus 50-inch tripod. Take off the bag. Wow. Much thinner than the Kodak one I'm using. So, envelope. Oh, warranty registration card. So yeah. And then operating instructions. Yeah, pretty simple. Well, that seems all just about it. Let's just slice this off here, so that then, you know, the tripod can be free. Oh, well, I'll do it later. Anyway, this has been the unboxing of the 50-inch camcorder tripod by Targus. Hope you've enjoyed. Rate, comment, and subscribe. And I will have another unboxing up tonight. You'll just have to find out because you'll be quite surprised by it. Bye for now.